Yeah, it's unfortunate. Now, I do think it was tipped, but I would venture to guess if he asked Doobie, he would have said he would have had it, should have had it.
How much rust did you see from your team tonight?
Well, I don't think we were sharp passing. I mean, I thought we got a little bit better as the game went along, but I mean, there's a lot of things that you can tell in the first game. The shifts were shorter, the winds, from coming back to playing at a pace wasn't as good as what you'd like it, but every team is doing it in the league, so, what are we going to do, complain about it?
The play of Mikko and Suter tonight, I mean, it just seemed like they were off all game long.
Well, it was a 1-1 game for 50 minutes, and both those guys had tough assignments tonight. And I think Mikko put some good opportunities in there, and I didn't think Suits was as bad as what you're pointing out here, but I think there was a few guys there that looked like they didn't have the legs underneath them till late in the game.
Is this kind of, I guess, the margin of error you expect? One goal, one shot? I mean, that can be the difference the rest of the way?
Now, from the next 31 games, I think that's what you're looking at. One mistake here, we miss I think Zach misses a net where Bishop falls and he's out of the net, and they come down and score, and that's the difference in the game.
What happened with Pontus?
Right now, I just say a lower body injury, but I don't know to what extent.
How tough was that, just to scramble the lines and play a man short with the push you were trying to orchestrate?
Today, with the first game in 9 days, you would have probably preferred to roll 4 lines than to have some guys double shifting a little bit, so it probably affected us a bit.